Bri here. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you. Om Guye Namaha. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you'd like more exclusive occult videos that I don't post on YouTube, consider subscribing to my Patreon. It also helps to support this channel. Okay, let's get into this video. And now this is about the transit of Mars in Virgo, which has been happening since July 28th. Now, this video is a little bit late because I've been busy doing a lot of consultations, but better late than ever because this will be happening until September 13th. So we have a lot of time. Now, Virgo is all about health, war, enemies, conflicts, analyzing, civil servants, and Mars is the actions we take. That can be aggression, that can be heat, accidents, violence as well, many different things, bravery. Now together, it's the actions taken for perfection and precision. It is important not to get frustrated as this will require patience and timing, as it is also aspected by Saturn. And the exact opposition will happen on August 8th. And that's where we'll see around then the most action. And this could be conflicts and aggressive acts, probably in the matters of war with a dark agenda at play. But it can be health as well. Now, it starts its transit in Uttara Falguni. And this is how the kingdom is run. Actions to be taken after the king has relaxed on the throne. Actions taken in business and government, companies where they might cut workers in authority positions. This can be good for buying property, but there can be a delay or frustration as Saturn is opposing Mars. Acts of charity and helping others, especially the homeless as Saturn is in Pisces. Financial conflicts can pop up. Hard work becomes necessary, but the mind can be scattered. Leaders can become very aggressive in nature and tone. Attacks on authorities in high positions, especially by civil servants. It can also be in the matters of crime. This can be problems with banks or creditors as they start to be very aggressive. Attacks on the United Nations. Aggressive communication from media about war or high-level authorities in the world fighting each other. Acts taken based on overconfidence, pride, and impulsiveness. So that's until August 13th. And then that's all about entertainment, like superstars, leaders of all public figures in the media, but also priests, astrologers, counselors, therapists, banks, creditors, United Nations. And then August 3rd, it goes into Hasta Nakshatra. And this is about working with the hands, fate, timing. Taking action to improve our fate, whether that is seeing a palmist or an astrologer, taking destiny into our own hands, repetitive actions that work based on timing. And this is why it rules jobs that work with the hands. Dealing with the stock market, there could be issues that pop up here as it is in an enemy sign, especially as it's opposing Saturn. Attacks on comedians, aggressive speech. Action is taken towards the treatment of diseases, so there's a possibility health issues around the world. Gambling can increase and impulsive actions that lead to losses. At this time, Jupiter and Venus will be in Purnarvasu, which brings a big win, but sometimes there can be a loss before a win because this is dealing with the one brother who is a very cruel brother, and then the next one who's a very generous brother in the story of Purnarvasu. So there can be a loss and a win. So, or it could be the opposite. So someone could just win a lot and then maybe put all that and gamble that in and then lose it. So just be careful. There could be problems with agriculture and fire, possibly. Be careful of scammers who might try to scare you into giving them money. Crypto scams that promise fast results, but you must act now. Doing any handiwork, but be careful of cuts that can lead to bleeding, especially with the hands. Accidents at the workplace. People can end up in hospitals because of their accidents. And Hasta is all about manual labor. It's about mechanics. It's about anyone who works with their hands. So there's so many varieties of people it can be. But it also is people who can con others or like want to con others. So that could be the banker who is like the stock market broker who is kind of a little bit shady. Or it could be the person who's working with the hands who hardly gets paid any money. Or people who tell the future, the fate. Or casinos, dealing with casinos, repetitive action with money. But it's also food production, so there could be issues there. And then August 3rd, Mars goes into Chitra Nakshatra, which is the architect. This is where perfection is achieved. This is the nakshatra of weapons, where we must be put to the test. Ruled by Vishwakarma, who is the architect and the deity of design, but he also designs Maya, the illusion of the physical world. So there could be problems with agriculture and buildings collapsing, or people creating them or working on them. Set design for plays and theater. Taking action to bring ideas to life. Aggressive acts can lead to humiliation, as many don't understand why you took such action and they just criticize you. Matters of war can intensify by the launch of weapons. Taking action on home design or fixing up of home. Creating something new. Mechanical activities. War propaganda used to scare people with weapons, which is the manipulation of the Maya. It's all about creating illusions, and it's often used for war and for the media. Taking on creative actions and activities, rituals, magic, and spiritual activities to change reality or to attack others in the spirit world. Others criticizing based on wanting perfection that doesn't really exist. Finding faults in others based on false beliefs. Fake stories and narratives are spoken. And that's going to involve all types of craftsmen, sculptures, architects, fashion design. And that's why I really do think like some buildings could collapse at that time. Cosmetic industry. There could be some problems there, problems with plastic surgeons in general. You have to remember, Mars is in an enemy sign. So it can help some people, but there can be problems as well. This is broadcasters can be very aggressive. So it's all kinds of machinery. You have to be careful of accidents with machinery. Landscapers, painters, these people will be very busy, but they need a lot of patience as Saturn is aspecting it. It's like you get really busy, then you get really slow. Also, on September 5th, there is a 6/8 aspect with Rahu while Jupiter squares Mars. And there is a Sun Ketu conjunction in Leo and Purva Falguni while Mercury is in Magha. So attacks and challenges overseas involving money and resources are very possible here. And then on August 26th, Mars will conjunct Moon and will trine Rahu. So frustrations can happen on this day. Aggressiveness or violence with alliances and groups and enemies. So that's just a little bit about what I see coming up. I thank you so much for listening. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.